Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, CANON Pixma G3470. This is the CANON MegaTank. And now I'm gonna show you how to install the printheads on this device. So, firstly, you should make sure the printer is plugged into the power outlet. Afterward, press the power button to enable your device. Here, after enabling, you will see the screen that asks you which language you want to use. So use English, click yes, on, and wait a while. Afterward, you will see the message: install the printhead and ink tanks. Open the cover. So cool. Firstly, we need to open the cover that gives access to inside of the printer, not the scanner cover, but the second cover. Here we have the place to hold it, and just pull it up. Cool. And as you can see, once it opens, the print has carriage should move to the center on its rail. As you can see, now I'm gonna show you. Wait a while. Here we have the rails, and it moved on these rails. So cool. Now we should prepare the printheads. So firstly, to prepare the printheads, we should, as you can see, there is a brand new printheads, and as you can see, it's sailed. And firstly, we should remove the sail from this device. So it's very easy. So to remove the seal, it's really easy to do. So here we have for black one. There is a black printhead. As you can see, here we have information about it, and here we have the second seal, and it's very important to remove it too. And here we have the colored one. As you can see, on original printheads, it's very difficult to remove this seal. Okay. And cool. And here, as you can see, we have information sticker. But first, we should open this element. As you can see here, here we have the element. Here we have black printhead and colored printhead. But firstly, as you can see here, we have this blue element. We should press it and pull it up, and afterward it will open. So cool. And now just remove this plumb from the colored one. It's very easy to do. And this sticker. Okay, great. And place it, as you can see here we have contacts, don't touch it, and just place it here. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy to do. I'm gonna show you again. It's here, and as you can see, we just need to place it inside. And do the same with the black printhead. Put it inside. Cool. And now just close this element. And cool, that's it. Now you just need to fill the tanks and you can use your printer. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.